Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put video into your Canva presentation, and actually there are three ways by which you can put video into your presentation. So as you can see, I have this blank presentation, and on this presentation I'll show you how you can put your videos. So first way is pretty easy, where you just need to click on upload, click on video section here and just click on upload files, and from here you can just upload your videos or put your videos which you want to use from your computer itself. So I have this video in my computer, I can just double click on it, and now my video is uploading on Canva. Once the uploading is done, you can just drag this video and put into your Canva presentation. Also you can just make this video bigger, smaller according to your need. So this is method number one, and in the method number two you can just go to elements, and here in the search bar you can type anything you want, like whatever video you want you can just type that keyword. Let's suppose I type here bird and just hit enter. I want videos, so I'll click on videos, and here you will see couple of videos and you can just add them, but make sure that if you have Canva Pro only then you can use these ones, but if you don't have Canva Pro, in that case you need to use this one which are crownless. So let's suppose I want to add this one, so I can just drag it just the way we did before. Now if you want to use videos from social media, in that case you need to click on apps, then here in this section we need to type embed, click here, then you will see this application, so we just need to click here, and here you just need to paste the link of that video. It could be from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So my video is on YouTube, so I'll just copy the URL, hit Ctrl+C to copy, and just paste the link of your video and just click on add to design, and yeah, here you can see our video is here. So these are three ways by which you can put videos on Canva presentation. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.